Hi everyone, so today let's talk about how to use Binance Margin Trading Beginner Guide. So let me tell you guys, Binance Margin Trading allows you to borrow funds to leverage your crypto positions, amplifying both potential profits and potential losses. So to trade safely on the Binance mobile app, you must understand how to transfer collateral, borrow assets, execute trades, and repay your debt. So first, you have to activate your margin account. So to activate it, open your Binance app and switch to a pro mode if you are in a light mode. Once you're switched in a pro mode, tap trade on the bottom of the menu bar and then select the margin tab at the top of the trading interface. Now read the risk disclosure statement and complete the margin trading quiz. Now to transfer collateral, tap the transfer icon with two small horizontal arrows on the margin trading screen. Now set the transfer direction from spot wallet to margin wallet. Then select your preferred coin and then enter the amount and tap confirm transfer. Now choose your margin mode. If you choose cross margin, your entire margin balance will be shared across all open positions. If one position goes poorly, it can draw from your total pool, risking your entire account liquidation to prevent a single position from closing. Now, if you choose isolated margin, your margin will be restricted to a single specific trading pair. Your maximum loss will be strictly limited to the funds allocated to that specific pair. Now, to borrow funds and open a position, select your trading pair and then look for the order mode toggle and change it from normal to borrow. Then choose your order type and enter the amount you wish to buy or sell. Then tap margin buy long if you expect the price to go up, or margin sell if you expect the price to go down. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.